How to delete contacts in Google Voice. First of all, open your preferred browser, then go to voice.google.com and make sure you are signed in with a Google account that has the contact you want to delete. Once logged in, tap on the call section from the left sidebar. Here you will see a list of all your contacts and calls. Now, find and select the contact you want to delete. You will see 3 dots in the top right of the call details. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the delete option. A confirmation will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the contact. Just click confirm. After confirming, the contact will be deleted from your Google Voice account. If you want, you can always add new contacts later or replace numbers as needed. Now you know how to delete contacts in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.